In this video, we're going to go over how to create borders. With Chroma Inspire or Chroma Plus, we do not have the option to create a border with a one-click function. So in order to create a border, we have two different ways to do so. When we type out our text, to create a border, we can use our satin stitch tool to trace around the letter in order to make our border. With our classic satin stitch tool, we will begin by creating a thin border around the letter, making sure to slightly overlap the letter as we create it. To get a straight line, we can hit our Shift key and it will lock your line on a straight path. So while holding Shift, I'm creating my border, making sure to angle the corners, and I can finish it off by right-clicking. After we have our border, we can make any necessary edit by using our Shape tool, and we can also edit our angle lines to change the direction of the stitches. We can add additional angle lines where needed. And that is one way to create a border using Chroma Inspire. The other method to create a border is by using our artwork tool. We can use a letter as an example, and we're going to use our artwork tool to trace around the letter. Click on the pen found underneath your artwork tool, and first we're going to trace the exact outline of the letter. Again, we can use our Shift key to keep our lines on a straight path, clicking just at the corners of my letter, and I can tap on C to close it off. Now that I have an artwork of my letter, I want to create a second outline that is farther out from the edge. I can use my artwork and begin to trace around the letter however far away I want the border to be in thickness. Now that I have two shapes, I want to fill them in using my upper right-hand corner box. And the second one I will also fill in, and be sure to change the color. I want the smaller T to be in the front, so I can use my alignment tools and move it or make any edits necessary. After I have my T, I want to be sure that the size is small enough, about 1 inch, and I can tap on my Auto Digitizer tool. This will then create a satin T on the inside and a satin border. If we have Chroma Luxe, we have the ability to create a border for any text or object with one click. I will select my letter or object, and I will right-click, Utility, Create Border. After my border is created, I can then adjust the width and the density and change the color by right-clicking on any of the color chips. Thank you for watching, and leave us a comment below.